Today is a special day, a monumental day even for us at DCG. Behind me is our Escort RS Cosworth Monte Carlo edition. We've actually had this for 3 years. This very day has been 3 years in the making, so how did we get here? Three years, that is a long time. This has been a huge undertaking, a massive process for us. But why would we put so much effort into what technically is just an old Ford? Well, Escort RS Cosworths are special. The Monte Carlo edition, even more so, it is stupidly rare. They were made to commemorate François Delacour's legendary World Rally win, obviously the Monte Carlo Rally, and from that we get these. They were available in 3 colours, only 73 were made in right-hand drive models. The most rare out of all of those colours is dual violet, which looks incredible now, but when we first got it, not so much. It already had a respray. Obviously it is a very old car, 1994 car to be exact. And it was in ever so slightly the wrong shade, so it just didn't look right. From there, we went mental. It's been back to a full bare shell, bare metal respray. The whole of the underside has been redone exactly as per factory. So there's all overspray in the right places. All of the bolts are the right color. If you know your Fords, you have to have blue ones in special places. And the whole engine, gearbox, diff, everything has been rebuilt. While we were there with the engine as well, we gave it a little bit of a tune because we've kind of gone down the OEM Plus look. You might notice the wheels are a different size, but we'll get to there in a minute. So engine wise, it's still obviously a 2 litre YB. Standard, 227 horsepower, 0 to 60, 5.9 seconds. But now, thanks to a few little breathing mods, different injectors, better cooling, it now produces 300. Which is perfect in this flat platform. On the outside as well, as I mentioned, the wheels, they're Monte Carlo edition compomotive wheels, which are super rare, which are now 18-inch, I believe from factory there were 16. Gas coilovers, and all of that put together, how it sits, how it looks, it is just absolutely unreal. What makes a Monte Carlo Escort Cosworth different from normal Cosworths? Generally, it's just the trim level. So obviously you got different stickers like the Monte Carlo one up the top, Monte at the back, Monte on both the side doors. The wheels as well were different. So Oz Racing wheels in 16-inch. While we're still on the outside though, the colors, you had ash black, mallard green, and this dual violet, which is my personal favorite. On the inside, cloth seats, motorsport ones to be exact, aluminium gear knob, a different one-off steering wheel, which is only for the Monte Carlo, and obviously a little plaque in there which tells you the model number. So the whole process of this build has been absolutely monumental. So many people involved with it, you obviously can't thank all of them, it would be a very long video, but yeah, Gibbo, Graham Goods, even Pershaw powder coating, getting everything nice and fresh for us. But the levels we've gone on this build is ridiculous. All new hardware, genuine hardware. So even all the side skirts is all brand new, genuine Ford clips. Even all the little torque screws and everything, brand new from Ford. In the engine bay as well, this is actually silicone hosing, but made to look like original rubber hosing. So everything looks OEM Plus, but a bit better in my opinion. The paintwork as well, King Stefan, thank you very much, is literally like glass. It looks amazing. At the front as well, this is actually PPF'd. So the front bumper, wings, bonnet, side skirts are all PPF'd, and that's thanks to Pyramid Car Care. Alec in particular, you've absolutely smashed it out of the park. You can't even tell it's got any film on it. It looks insane. D&B graphics as well, you've helped us get it back to OEM fresh. Chris, Simon, Tom at Dream Car Giveaways, everybody who's detailed it, it looks insane. I even had to have a month off my other job to get it over the finish line. The last 5% is 95% of the work on a build, and all of it put together is just unreal. What a car. I've obviously been lucky enough to drive a few Cosworths, and this is the best one. It feels brand new. There's no rattles. It goes like stink, and it looks like that. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's been a long time to get here, very long journey, lots of headaches, lots of sleepless nights, but we're here. Next stop, Goodwood. And obviously I'm not going to take it back just yet, we need to go for a drive.